This tutorial is walking through sort of using conditionals to track the position of the mouse. So we have two variables, position X, position Y. And in the setup, it's just 500 by 500 pixels. The color mode is HSB. We're drawing the background as 0. Position X is being loaded with the value of mouseX. And position Y is being loaded with the value of mouseY. So essentially these are variables just holding those dynamic numbers inside of them. There's no stroke. The fill is 255. And then we have 4 conditionals. So the first one, if position X is less than the width divided by 2, and position Y is less than the height divided by 2, I'm drawing a rectangle that's white, that's 0 at 0, 0, and width divided by 2, height divided by 2. So if we run it, we will see, here we are. So we are meeting that first conditional here because we are position X is less than width divided by 2, so this position, and less than height divided by 2, so this edge. So the next one is position X is greater than width divided by 2, but less than height divided by 2, and so on. So 4 simple conditionals allow you to draw rectangles in different positions based on the position of the mouse and testing sort of the boundaries within which the mouse is landing. So fairly straightforward. You might be wondering why I'm using width and height, why I'm loading variables, and why I have variables controlling this instead of just putting mouse X and mouse Y, because I might decide to change the input from a mouse to something else, in which case I can just put that input there instead. So if it could be a key, it could be anything. So, and the other thing is why am I using width divided by 2 instead of just saying 250? If it's less than 250, if it's greater than 250, and that's a common thing in terms of if you're actually building programs that are going to run on different screens. You may find out like this is a square aspect ratio, but you may find out that actually it's a 2:1 aspect ratio, meaning it's 1,000 pixels wide and 500 pixels tall. And now if I run this, you can see now I've got rectangles, so it's responsive to different sizing. Otherwise, I'd have to go in and recode all of those numbers, right? And that would take a fair amount of time. So there you go.